Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website similar to smallseotools.com. So you can see that basically this website has provided many tools that you can use for the SEO purposes or the other stuff that you may like it. So you can see that basically it has a lot of tools like plagiarism checker, grammar check, reverse image search, logo maker, IP address, PDF to word converter, and many other tools that you can see they are here. Now, best, let's go ahead and check out the traffic, monthly traffic of this website. You can just search on the web, similar web, or you can add the extension. It does not matter at all. Then just simply put the copy the URL of the website and then paste it here. Now click search. Let's wait to see the whole report of the small SEO website tool. So let's wait. So you can see that the global rank is around 9,000, which we don't care at all. So monthly traffic is around 7 million. So it is quite a lot. 6 million 400. Yeah, it is around 7 million. So that is really a lot of traffic. So and you can see that most of this traffic is coming from India 17% and then 11%, you can call it 12%, even though from United States and other countries, and most of them are coming from the search engine, and direct around 30% is coming directly to that website. So as I said before, now this website has ads running on itself, and alongside that one they have the affiliate marketing stuff on them, and do not forget the pro version of their tools. Now for now you can say that I have already disabled the ads. uh, you can't see them by default, but if you turn them off you will see ads are appearing one after another. Now as I said before, creating these website a website like this is not really hard, but managing and expanding a site like this is another case. So let's just go ahead and start creating a website like this. So you can see that basically this is a domain which I am experimenting on this. I have already created these website. You can see that these are the tools: article rewriter, plagiarism checker, backlink maker, meta tag generator, and many other. Basically 50 tools are available here that you can use them just like the smallest your tools website.com. So it is up to you to choose a very fine domain, and after that one, if you are a coder then it is very good. Over time you can add more tools in it. If you are not coder, just don't worry, you can go with the same flow of the tools that you are getting. So also I want to make sure that there is no need to code here, so coding is not required at all. So let's go ahead and begin the process. Now as I said before, coding is not needed here. The very first thing is that you have to go ahead to the code canyon, and you have to buy the script of this website, which is A to Z. Just simply search A to Z and it's going to appear. So you can see that it is around $40 A to Z SEO tools. Just you can see that it is around $40. You have to buy it, and you can preview it from here. But as I said before, yeah, it is practically the same website. If you're a coder, as I said before, you can you are good with CSS and other stuff, PHP, you can just simply change the whole look of the website that you are creating. But in this article, for the beginners, I'm going to guide you how you can create a website like small SEO tools, and then how to basically customize the website based on your need. And more importantly, you have to use the SEO strategies to practically expand your website. So let's begin the process without wasting a lot of time. Also, I'm not going to buy this tool because I'm going to use a cracked version of this script. Never use a cracked version of any script. in any website that you are building. As I said before, I am only experimenting, so never ever use it on your actual website. So I'm going to provide the download link in the description. You can just get it from the description and you can begin the process. Let's go ahead and start with the step one. Step one is to buy a domain for yourself. So it depends on you which domain you are interested and which domain provider you are going to use. I am mostly using Namecheap for my domains and hosting from the hostinger. So you have to just simply the very first step is you have to come here, dominer, or main or dominer.com. You have to come here and then search for a domain if it is available. Suppose it is about SEO, so you have to simply type SEO. Maybe how about small SEO, or it is available. You can just simply, you can see that this domain is available. You can copy this small SEO and then come here, small SEO.org. You have to buy this domain. So here you can see that right now you have to pay around $9, and once the time is over you have to pay around $12.98, which will be $13. Now click add to cart. After that one, click checkout, and now you have to simply confirm order and pay, and it is all done. So this is how you can simply buy a domain from the Namecheap, which I am not going to do at all. I have already done it, so there is no need for me. Now after you basically bought a domain from the Namecheap, you have to go ahead and buy a hosting from the hostinger or any other platform that you are interested. So as I'm saying hostinger because it is cheap compared to the other hostings, and you can see that these are basically the plans for this. So basically shared hosting, cloud hosting, and other stuff. The shared hosting is also going to work on the tool that you are going to basically run your website on it. So basically you can see that the plan are here. You can just go ahead and buy one of these hosting. I have already bought a hosting which is the cloud hosting. I'm simply using this one. So after that one, you have to basically simply come here. Oh, I almost forgot. Yeah, you have to just simply come here, click add website, enter your domain here. The domain which you just chose was small SEO.org. You have to just simply also create a password for it, then click add website. And wait a moment, you will see there the DNS servers and other stuff. So here you can see that here is the small SEO.org. Simply click manage, and here you can see that basically it's saying that your domain is not pointing to the hostinger. These are basically the DNS servers. You just simply copy them, and inside the dashboard of your Namecheap hosting, you have to just simply come here, uh, suppose click manage, go to the under the domain. You will see here the DNS. So from here you have to just simply choose custom DNS, paste the DNS servers that you copied. That is all with the process of how to change the DNS server to the hostinger. Now it is going to take around 1 hour or maybe longer. Sometimes it's going to take 5 minutes. It depends on, basically it depends. After you bought them, we are ready to begin the process. So basically here you can see that this is the website. First I'm going to delete everything inside, and then I'm going to reinstall the small SEO tool website here. So let's begin the process. For now I'm going to close this thing. Yeah, and let's go ahead, let's go back to the hosting category. I'm going to use the compress jpeg.us. From here you have to just simply go to the file manager. For now I'm going to use the file manager beta version. For some reason the file manager current version, which is you can call the older version, it has some kind of error. So click on file manager beta. So under the public HTML folder, you have to simply select all of them. By default, it's going to be empty. Nothing will be at all here. You have to just simply select all of them and then delete. So for now, I'm going to select all of them and I'm going to unselect this file, which is basically the source code of the AtoZ SEO tool. So click delete. And now you can see that everything has been moved. If I have to refresh the website, so you can see that there you can't see anything at all, only the zip file, which is basically the source file of the small SEO, sorry, the A to Z SEO tools. Now we have to extract it here. Just you have to just simply right click on it and then choose an archive, and then you have to just simply, I'm going to simply put a dot, which means that it is going to extract the files from the zip into the same directory. And also I'm going to check the override existing files if they were available. So an archive, it's going to take a while. So yeah. Oh, I almost forgot one more thing. You have to upload it from here. You can see that here is an upload button. You can just click on it, click on file, choose the file, and basically the source code of the A to Z small tools, SEO tools, and then upload it, which I have already done. It's going to take a while. uh, yeah, after that one you have to go to the my files and see if those files have been extracted. Yeah, they are extracted, but they are not within the public HTML. If I have to refresh here, you will see that nothing is available. Now to move, we have to move them inside the public HTML. Now simply select all of them except the trash and then the public HTML. Simply click move file to the public HTML directory and then now click move. You have to click replace. Okay, and now let's refresh it here. Yeah, everything is totally done. Now we don't need these documentation, the don't upload thing, which is basically reset stuff. Yeah, we don't need those two, so we are going to delete those two. Just simply select it, hold control and then delete and delete. Now let's go ahead and begin the installation of this tool. Now to install this tool, you have to just simply type the domain and then click on upload, or simply type here. Make sure that the upload should be in the capital letter because the folder directory begins with the capital letter. So click upload, enter, and now we are ready to the installation page. So everything is now set up. Make sure that everything they are writable here, because if they are not writable you can't process to the installation section, which is the next category. And now click continue. Now here you need to create database, which we are going to create the database from the H panel. You can also use the C panel, it does not matter at all. And the database, you can see that MySQL databases. Now click on it and create a database and a user for it. So how about SEO tools? I'm going to copy the same for the username and paste the password, sorry, enter a password. Now click create. Okay, SEO tools. Now you can see that this is the database name and this is the user. So you have to simply copy each one of these users. Control C copy, and where was that one? Okay, that was here. uh, the database host will be localhost. Database name, copy and paste. What about the database MySQL user, which is Control C copy, and now paste it. Now database password, you have to insert it. uh, and here's the path. Yeah, everything is okay. And item purchase code, as I said before, it is a cracked version. You never have to use a cracked version on your actual website. You have to buy it from the main source. And now click submit, and everything is done. Now you have to simply create an admin username and a password, and you're done. So I'm going to name it pass, and you have to insert an email address, which is totally required, and a password is also required. Now click submit. Okay, everything is done. You can see that the website is definitely created. Now if you have to simply click index page, you can see that the website is ready. And suppose let's go ahead and check the article rewriter, if it is going to work or not. Like I am very good. Let's see what is going to get the answer for that one. Yeah, I am excellent. So basically article rewriter is working totally fine. Now there is an issue with these website. You can see that basically here is the compressed jpg.com, which is the your domain slash upload, which is looking a little bit unprofessional. Now we need to fix this problem. The main domain should be compressed jpg.com, and all tools should be available here. Now we have to configure this from the file manager. So this is where we have to use the older file manager, which the current file manager is not working at all with this very well. So click on file manager and hold on please, it is redirecting. Now click public HTML, and from here you can see that upload directory. Now we have to simply move all of these files into the main directory. Now select all of them and now click move. Yeah, select. Nah, it is not that one. Now it is totally okay. Now click close. Now public HTML, and after that one select this. Now you can see that destination folder is public HTML. Now click move, and now everything is going to be moved from there to the main public HTML directory. Now if we run it, you will see that there is an error 403 error forbidden. You can see that the error is basically for the upload, which we just moved it. Now we have to just simply type the main domain. Now there is also another issue, which is basically the tools. Now they are not working. You can see that page not found. Now any tool that you run it is going to give the same error. Now we need to change the base URL. Now to change it, you have to basically open the core directory, and from there click on config, and you have to simply right click on db.config.php file, right click and choose edit, and from there you have to simply change the base URL. Okay, hold on please. Where is the main URL here? Here is, you can see that the base URL is basically compressjpg.com.us/upload. Now we have to upload, remove this /upload, and now click save, and everything is done. Now we can simply save and close. That's all. Let's go ahead and refresh the main site again. Okay, everything is okay. Let's go ahead. Yeah, now it is totally working very well. Okay, now what about the customization of the logo and other tools? So let's go ahead and customize them. Now to access the admin panel, you have to just simply, after domain, you have to, after your domain, you have to just simply type /admin and then press enter. Now there will be a login area, which you can see that by default it came because we just created the website. If I have to just simply use the incognito mode, here you can see that it is asking for the email address and the password. So the user is not going to work. You have to enter your email address, which is this one with the password, and now sign in. So now you can see that we are logged in. Now you can hear in the right side, you can see that the server information, the CPU usage, and everything that is going on through your server. So you can see that basically here are the user online page views, everything you are going to see them here. And alongside that one, you can configure the tools from here. Now the very first thing is that if you want to configure the interface, which is basically the theme, the logo, and other stuff, you have to just simply click on the interface and now click manage themes. It has by default only two themes of the default and the simple X theme. By default, the default theme is applied. We need to change it to the simple X theme. Now click apply and OK. It has been applied. Now let's go ahead and visit the website again. You can see that it is done. So you have to change the logo. If you have created another one previously, click edit. From here you can just simply apply the changes on the logo. So you can see that limit tools on the home page, you can enable. By default it is disabled, you can also enable it. Okay, here is the logo section. I have not created a logo, but I just simply typed something in the text in the parent. Sorry, where is that one? Yeah, here it is. You can see that here is the compressed jpg. It is the favicon icon. You can see that this icon is small icon here, that is the favicon icon. You can change it here too. And yeah, you can type about the details regarding to your website. Now this section is very important for you to rank your website on these search engines such as Google and other search engines. Now you have to make sure to write about us and the other information regarding your website very clearly, and make sure that they have to be SEO optimized to rank them. Otherwise uh, it is not very good idea to just simply leave it in the same way that it is. Okay, for now you have to just simply click save changes. There was one more thing. Now every tool is not basically working free inside this website. Where was that one? Let me have to visit the main website. Every tool is not working here. You have to make sure to log in. So you can see that I have already created a profile, which is from in earlier. Incognito mode is, I think, going to work very clearly without any issue. So here you can see that sign up and login button, they are here. Suppose I want to check the speed side of my speed of my website on the Google page inside. So I think it's going to give an error that you must be logged in to work with it. So you have to, as I said before, if you are not a coder, let it be. If you are a coder, then you can basically bring any type of changes that you want here. You can create user pages. Here is the advertisement pages and the other things that you can see here. So basically this is how you can create SEO website tools without coding. So I hope you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe IntoGuide YouTube channel. Also, I'm going to write its article inside the wikigain.com. If you have any problem, you can visit it in the written form there. So have a nice day. Goodbye and be healthy.